How much of your marketing budget is wasted on the wrong audience? It's a common problem, but one that you can solve. Because the truth is, trying to appeal to everyone often means you end up connecting with no one. The key to effective marketing isn't just about what you say, but who you say it to. So begin by looking at your existing customer data. Your most profitable segment isn't always the one that spends the most in a single transaction. Instead, look for customers with a high lifetime value, those who buy from you repeatedly. Next, analyse the share characteristics. What are their demographics, behaviours and motivations? What patterns can you find? You can look at tools like Google Analytics to look at groups that spend the most or convert easily, but also remember to survey your best customers. Find out what they really value about your products or services. Once you've identified those high value segments, you can tailor your messaging and your offer directly to them, making your marketing more effective. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start targeting, our audience attraction packages provide a bit of help. So check out the link for that. Next week, we're moving on to prioritising.